Hi guys, so I'm back again with another video. I hope you all are doing great. So I was just recording bits and pieces of my upcoming videos and I received my online shopping parcel. That is what all I shopped from Nykaa.com a few days back. So I thought why not to do a Nykaa haul unboxing and a proper haul video. So if you're interested to know what all I shopped from Nykaa.com, keep on watching. So this is how my Nykaa parcel look like. I have not unboxed it right now, so I'm gonna do it with you guys. I have my pair of scissors handy with me to help me unbox this box. So let's go! Which side to open? So I'm just gonna open this right now with the help of my scissors. So let's just do this. How do I do this? This is not opening. Did you hear that voice? Two sides done. And the last side also done. I have managed to unbox my box right here. So this is the invoice right here which has all the products that I've actually shopped for. This is how the 5 products look like. I think they have packed 2 products in one. What is in this packet? And I'm just gonna deconstruct it. Also mind you, I've shopped very affordable makeup. So I've successfully opened one of this. So this is how it looks like. I ordered mine in the shade. It's in the shade Marble. So let's open it right now. And this is how the product looks like. There is a sponge right here and there's a plastic film and the product in there. I think I've got a defective product because can you see the package is not getting closed properly. See, I'm closing it but it's getting open. See, wait, let me drop the sponge right there. I am closing it but it's not closing. I think this is because of this right here. I'm sure that it is because of this right here. This is such a disappointing thing. I got a stupid packaging. Can you see it's not even closing and this is a new product. I'm surely gonna file a complaint against this product on Nykaa. So disappointed. This is the first product that I unboxed. Now let's move on to the next thing. This is the Lakme foundation. I saw RJ Mehak, raving about this foundation. So I was like, it's only 140 rupees. Let's give it a try and buy it for myself. This is how the product looks like. I ordered mine in the shade Natural Shell and this costed me around 140 only. I did not get any discount on the Lakme Perfecting Foundation. Moving on, I have this thing right here. So the products are really nicely packed. The product that I have is the Gold Peel Off Mask by Khadi Naturals. So the MRP of this product is 140 rupees and I got it for rupees 126. So this is like a tear of packaging. It is leaking. I don't know, Nykaa has sent me so defective products. This is the third product What is even happening with Nykaa? This is leaking. Can you guys see? I just opened it in front of you and this is leaking. Should I open it? It is clearly leaking. Let me open it and find out what's the issue. The product is all over. There is a seal right over there. Okay. Nykaa, you really have pissed me off this time. Can you guys see? The package is open. The product is all over the place and the seal is broken. I think, yeah, this is a better angle to show you. The seal is right here, but the seal is broken here. This is not done, Nykaa. You are India's #1 makeup selling website and this kind of service is actually not appreciated. One has this like clear. Can you see my energy level has got so low because I got such stupid products. This is the 4th product that I ordered from Nykaa. This is the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Daily Scrub. I'll just check if this is all sealed up or... And the 5th product that I hauled from Nykaa.com is this Blue Heaven Expressions makeup stick. I saw videos on YouTube about the Olivia makeup stick. I did not find the Olivia makeup stick, so I just went ahead and ordered myself the Blue Heaven Expressions makeup stick. This is how it looks like. If you're wondering, I am in the shade 06. So this was the last product that I hauled from Nykaa.com. I'm so disappointed with my Nykaa haul this time. I got 2 of the defective products. I'm so sorry guys, this was not a very happy video as I was disappointed with my products. This channel is not about negativity at all. I do not intend to put down Nykaa as a brand as I cannot do it. I am nobody to put down or defame Nykaa. I don't know if I'll be posting this video or not. Until next time, bye guys, stay natural and keep loving. Bye.